Friends, today we will discuss antigens, some chemical natures, immunogens, epitopes. All this topic we are discuss. Let's start. What is antigens? Antigens is a substance, usually proteins natures and sometimes polysaccharides natures, and that is capable of interact with the antibody or T lymphocytes and produce the immune response, and that's why we are called antigens. Antigens is only a substance. Proteins natures are tertiary structures. Suppose antigens are tertiary structures. Every type of structures, that's protein natures. And next, immunogens, all type of antigens, not immunogens, but all type of immunogens are antigens. Let's explain. All antigens are recognized specific lymphocytes or by T antibodies. Only some antigens are capable to activate the lymphocytes and stimulate the immune response. And these are antigens are immunogens. And that's why all immunogens are antigens and not a uh, all antigens are not a immunogens. Let's new topic. This is the epitope. Epitope is a immunological active regions of an immunogens or antigens that binds to antigen specific members receptors on lymphocytes or to secreted antibody. It is also called antigenic determinants. Suppose this is a suppose this is a antigens, this is a antigens, and this is a antibody, this is the antigens and this is the antibody. The antibody interact this place, antibody interact this place, and this place the antibody interact this area we are called epitope. Understand? This area are called epitopes. Next, this is the structures of bacteria. Bacteria inject the antigens, and antigens at various type of sites and to interact the antibody, and many types of epitopes and many types of antibody bind this place. Okay, understand? Next, chemical natures of antigens. Let's start. Chemical natures of antigens. Generally, antigens are proteins nature, polysaccharide natures. For example, lipopolysaccharides, lipoproteins, and this type of nature, this type of structures in the polysaccharides in the proteins. And rare is nucleic acid, and rare is nucleic and layer is nucleic acid and lipids. Next, determinants of antigenicity. Let's start. The whole antigens does not evoke the immune response, and only a small part of its induced B cell or T cell response. The small area of chemicals grouping on the antigens molecules that determines specific immune response and reacts specifically with the antibodies, it is called an antigenic determinants. Let's suppose, see this is the structures of antigens, and this is area to bind antibody, and that's why this area to bind antibody, and that's why interact this area to antibody to this area it is called epitope. This area is called epitope, and epitope is the antigenic determinant. Before sometimes I said that Okay friends, and now this video you are liked, and uh, if you like this video, please subscribe with these channels, and any type of need video, please comment me. I will try to make of your comment video. Okay, thank you.